it's your girl AmandaEnsing. Today's video is going to be unlike anything I've ever done before. Today I'm going to be doing a Selena Gomez inspired makeup tutorial, ASMR style. If you don't know what that means, I'll put the definition right here. It is relaxing noises. It's supposed to put you at ease and calm you, can even give you that chill bump effect. So I thought I would do a Selena Gomez inspired makeup tutorial today from the Met Gala. Her makeup was everything. I loved it so much. It was my favorite makeup. So I'm going to do my own spin, my own recreation of it today. ASMR has been blowing up on the internet. There are even ASMR professionals and there is an ASMR academy. This is a very serious thing. So I wanted to take a spin at it today and try something new on my channel. So I hope this makeup tutorial relaxes you, and I'm feeling a little parched, so I'm going to pour myself a little bit of something to drink before we get started. I just spilled it everywhere. Oh my god. I'm going to start by priming my skin. I'm going to take this much, wrap it between my fingers. For my foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Foundation. Comes with a little pump. I'm going to bounce it all over the skin. Selena was very bronzed and glowy, so I'm using a foundation a little bit darker, but I do have a little bit of a tan. My lips are parched, so I'm going to add some lip balm. This is the Fresh Coconut Lip Balm. It's time to conceal these bags under my eyes, so I'm going to take the Urban Decay Naked Concealer, and we're going to highlight and conceal. I'm going to apply a lot because I need it. Literally, I'm applying concealer everywhere. So now I'm going back to my beauty blender to blend it all out. And I'm going to blend my under eyes last because they tend to set and crease first. I'm going to take another concealer that's a little bit lighter and apply on the inner corners because her under eye was very bright and very highlighted. Right on the inner part of the eye. Make sure you get that inner corner too nice and highlighted. Now we're going to bake, so I'm going to take this translucent powder from Laura Mercier. And we're going to set that concealer with the beauty blender. It's so weird filming this because now I'm listening to everything and seeing if it makes noise. Like, this doesn't make very much noise. Now I'm going to take this brush and dust off all of the excess powder underneath of my eyes. Now I'm going to fill in my brows using the Kelly Baker Brows Brow Pencil. First, I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm going to brush it through my brows. Her brows are very full, more on the messy side, not perfect. I love that, so I'm going to go for that kind of vibe. colors, so I'm gonna put my own little spin on it. It's gonna be inspired by this look, but not the exact same thing, you know. I'm gonna take the Kylie Jenner Bronze Extended Palette. I have not used this yet. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna start with this brown color right here, and I'm gonna add this as my transition color. I'm actually gonna use this brush for my transition color. I forgot to clean my lid brush, so I'm gonna do that right now. I'm just gonna spray this on a paper towel and then wipe the brush back and forth. Now it's time for the fun part. We're gonna start building up that gold shade. I'm gonna use a couple of things. The first thing I have here is a chrome paint from Tarte in the shade Martini. Mine is broken. It came this way. I haven't used it before, and I just spilled more. Whoops. They're not supposed to look like this, but mine came this way. But the color is beautiful as I spill it everywhere, so I'm still gonna use it. I'm gonna start building this on my eyelid. I've never used these before. It's very pretty, but I feel like I need some Fix Plus. I'm gonna take some of the new Pink Light Fix Plus from MAC, and I'm gonna spray on the brush. I'm gonna bring the shadow out in a V. I'm bringing it quite high up because hers was up into the crease. I think they look pretty even. What do we think? I'm gonna take some of this gold color to add on top. I'm gonna use more Fix Plus. I'm gonna focus the concentration of the product in the center of the lid. I've gotta clean another brush. I'm gonna take the brown right on the lash line. For mascara, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I'm gonna coat this through my lashes. And then we're gonna add falsies. Do you guys think this mascara is better than sex? Comment down below. I'm gonna use the whaaaaat lash from Esquito. This is what they look like. I'm just gonna peel them. I'm gonna use these little lash scissors to cut them and trim them so they match my eyes perfectly. Oh yeah, these are too long. Oh no, honey. I just them up. It's time for the big boys. I'm gonna take my lash glue and coat the lash. I'm gonna let it dry for 30 seconds. Girl, after lashes, mama needs a snack, so it looks like she had nude with brown shadow on her lower lash line. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna add nude to the lower lash line. In the waterline, I mean. Oh, I'm gonna go back to the brown shade, the dark brown, and this pencil brush. And we're gonna add it to the lower lash line. And connect it to the upper part a little bit. Just like that. Yes, giving me life. I'm gonna add some lower lash mascara. It's time to bronze it up. I'm gonna use the new Morphe 8H palette. right here. I'm going to take this bronzer brush. I'm also going to contour my nose. She has a cute little nose, so I'm going to contour mine so it looks a little bit slimmer. Now I'm going to use the shade Donut, which is a little bit lighter. This is how you fake a nose job. Contour. If my nose contour looks a little suspect right now, I'm sorry, but I think I went a little overboard. I'm going to take some blush and hit right above the contour. It is time to highlight. I'm going to take that same Morphe palette. I'm going to first take Beam, which is this color right here. I'm going to go right on the apples of the cheeks. I'm not going to go as crazy as I usually do, but I still want to be poppin'. Now I'm going to take a smaller brush, and we're going to hit that nose highlight right here. Yes. Yes. Also some right here. She has some glow. Right here, honey. Right there. Yes. Also, her chin is glowing. I never highlight my chin, but we gonna glow today. Ooh, I like it. I should highlight my chin more. I'm gonna go ahead and mist and lock in my face with the same MAC Fix Plus, the pink light. Yes. We are glowing, honey. We're gonna finish the look with lip color. I don't know which one to choose. I'm gonna take Kylie Candy K lip pencil, and I love a defined lip. Selena's looked more undefined, but I love a defined lip. I'm gonna give my Cupid's bow that shape that she has, more filled in, more straight across, where mine is more arched. So her lip is very pale, like a peachy pink, nude, pale color. I live for it. I have two NYX colors here because her lip is definitely a lipstick or a matte liquid lip. I love the NYX soft matte lip creams because they become one with your lips. You don't even see them. And I feel like this texture is spot on to what she has on. I have Athens and Cairo. I'm going to start with Athens because it's darker. Oh yeah, that's too pink. Let's go in with Cairo. Also, I always leave the tags on my stuff. I don't know why I do that, but I do. Oh yes, this one is more that color for sure. This color is spot on. Alright, I'm gonna change and I will be back with the finished look. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. Perfect for the grocery store, the gym, really anything. No, for real, I love the look. I think it's very beautiful. It's very simple. It's really easy. Soft yet bold and editorial yet wearable. I really, really like the recreation of it. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Also, I want to note that Selena and I have the same necklace. I die. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, hit subscribe, join my A-team. Make sure your post notifications are turned on so you're always notified when I upload. It's time for the A-team shout out of the day. Today's shout out comes from Caitlin Smith. Love that you use your platform to point to Jesus. Also love this whole video. Thank you so much, Caitlin. Jesus is my homeboy. He's the man. I love him. And thank you for being an A-team member. I love you so much. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I didn't even point out that my hair is platinum. Are we living? This is a wig, by the way, but I'm living. This is the color I want my hair to be. And I don't know if I can ever get my hair this color, but I'm deceased right now. Thank you as always for watching. I love you guys so much, and I to make some matcha. Oh, it's so good. For my foundation, Molly, you have to get out. You have to get out, Molly. You're making too much noise. I'm gonna take my lash glue